Dile!
Ciao!
The most amazing Florentine girl you'll ever meet. She was explaining something to me about Florence. Go ahead.
In English?
Yeah, in English.
So, Florence is divided in 4 parts. Each part has a color. So we have the green part, the red part, the light blue part, and the white part. I live in the white part.
So, the white neighborhood, go figure.
The whites. And there is a kinda football match called Calcio Storico, where they kinda play football. They basically punch their face.
What?
Yes, they fight all the time. And this year the whites won.
Oh, the whites won, huh?
Yes.
Interesting.
Now we are in the white part.
Where are
We
you?
are walking along the Arno River, which is called Lungarno.
We are headed to a gelateria
Yes.
to relax and get a look at the Ponte Vecchio. Oh, also Tom Hanks is here. Little side note. Guess he
And I
just
was in a movie.
and she was in the movie. Just he shot that movie Inferno, which will probably be out and on DVD by the time I put this video out, but he was here today. He said, make sure you like and subscribe to First Step Travelers. His words, not mine. I didn't say it. He said it. So make sure you subscribe. You'll see the shout out in the movie too.
Who's gonna buy underwear at my shop, maybe?
He's gonna buy Delay's underwear.
Nah, sounds weird, but okay.
That's for sure. So we were gonna grab gelato
Yes.
and watch or look at the Ponte Vecchio, but Ponte Vecchio.
Ponte Vecchio.
Ma
Sì.
fa freddo
Fa
outside.
molto freddo.
Fa molto freddo outside.
Oh, that's a gelateria.
Maybe we will get gelato. But definitely, okay, the Ponte Vecchio is really cool during the day with all the trading going on, but you should definitely come see it at night. It's picturesque.
There is an artist, half Italian and half French, that modifies, how do you say that?
Yeah,
The signals with black men.
they're hilarious.
Yeah.
What is this area?
This area is a big shop area. If
Yeah.
you're rich, you can go here for shopping.
Yeah?
Otherwise, you can look at the sky and look at the buildings, like we do.
Yeah, because we povero.
There's Gucci at the end of the street.
Gucci?
Dolce & Gabbana.
Dolce & Gabbana?
Dolce & Gabbana. Valentino, ragazzi.
Is that expensive?
It is.